You copy that script in quotes, this particular creation script, Python script for the ETL asset.
Miss, is that a full script I have to copy?
Yes, obvious.
Yes.
Need to read.
Okay.
Before the script, you need to write that, not here. Your script should be in quotes, right?
Yes.
And before the script, you need to write the prompt and view the script before quotes. Enclose the complete script in quotes. Yes, now you press enter. You should give, you see the deletion for each quote snippet. Can you do one thing? Just copy that into Notepad and share the Notepad. You study both scripts, creation script and deletion script.
Okay.
Then it will be very clear to compare. You have to save all these things in your GitHub account later for future usage.
Oh, sir.
You have an account, right, in GitHub?
Yes, I have. So I share both the script.
Now you explain it. What is creation script? Then later explain the deletion script also. Yourself, what's your understanding?
Okay. Sir, in the this creation script, that's app.py, I name as app.py. So
You
here
know,
are the
what is the requirement? What is your requirement in this?
uh, in this requirements, I have to create one storage account, and that then inside the storage account I have to move the CSV file. After this, I have to then this copy this CSV file into the SQL database using Azure Data Factory. So this is the overall requirement for that purpose. Means that use for this use case. So I have to some import the libraries from Python. So for that function, I have to this import functions. Yes, from Azure Identity, I have to Azure Credential, then management resource, I have resource management client, then management storage management client, then SQL client, blob, then blob service client, and data factory management client. And so all this, and then model. So all this I have to import it. from the
Are
Azure.
you going to create any infographics for this process in the presentation?
Yes.
Not explain through the infographic also.
Okay, okay. Then I have to yes, yes. Then I have to
Yeah.
replace this credential, subscription ID, resource group, CSE path, SQL server name, admin user, admin password, database name, table name, and data factory name. All things I have to replace with my current with something unique I have to give. Then authentication using default credential, means credential subscription ID, credential I have to give here, subscription ID. Then then first I have to resource group creation, then storage account, upload CSV file here. Then here is a container creation here, and then uploading the file. So so I have to get the print messages as CSV file upload successfully. So so this first script upload the CSV file. Then now I create the SQL server database. So here I create SQL database server, uh, and then lastly I get message that SQL servers get created successfully. And here I also assign one IP address for that, local IP address also here. Then import PyODBC to connect this to the server. So this is I have to import to connect to server. So, sir, in this string, connection means I do. So, okay, okay. Means, sir, I have create here server. Okay, so now I here create a server. Then I have to using this. I have to connect to the that server. This PyDCB. Okay, connection string. I have to give then I have to create table and then insert the table schema. Then I have to get the I create table successfully. Then create Azure Data Factory. So I have to give the all the credential regarding Data Factory here. Then I have to set up the link service here. Then after SQL database link service also I have to create. Then creating data sets, then block data set also I have to create, then SQL data set I have to create in the ADF, and then create and run ADF pipeline. Then I have to run the ADF pipeline here, and then I have to call the main function. So after calling the main function, all the activity is above get call, and then lastly I have to get the end-to-end process success completely this. So yes, sir, these are the all the activity I have to do. But sir,
So
in
deletion is done.
no, sir. Creation is done, and then
Okay.
deletion.
Now,
Now, uh, for the deletion process, I have to same credential, resource management, storage management client, SQL management client. All this I have to import. Then I have to replace with the credential also. Then authenticate the credential using the default Azure credential. Then I have to here I have to write a function one by one. For deletion, for delete, I have to delete data factory, delete SQL database, delete a storage account, delete resource group. So all this function I have to write here, and then I call the delete all functions that delete data factory function. And if there is a not deletion, then I have to print the error also, error deletion data factory. So that is a try catch block is here one by one. And then after executing that try and exception block, then lastly I have to get the message as a resource cleanup completed. So this overall process for the deletion of these particular resources also.
okay.
Okay.
Now, what you used the creation script? How many times you tried it
No,
so
sir.
far?
No, sir. Now I am trying. Means I only
Okay.
write because now yesterday's script what happened? We get that this stuff means subscription ID is secret. So I create this separately for ADF now, but
Hmm.
in this script there is no that such means that subscription here only this only not no that subscription or
No,
client
there will
secret.
be smashes in the subscription ID. You need to set with the CLI first. connect with these subscriptions from CLI. Then later on, you need to run the script. Then it is going to connect to the Azure from CLI.
Okay.
This is the first time you are doing it, connecting previous script to the CLI from CLI, right? But you did in Terraform also, right? In the past.
Yes. Yes, I did it.
But,
Terraform. Yes.
but that time, very basic services you use like virtual machine blob storage kind of thing. Here you are using Azure Data Factory services also. So it needs authentication with session ID, all that kind of things. Client ID.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
So there you will encounter some problems, you need to solve them. Correct verification, correct parameters need to be pulled from the portal.
Sir, the problem will be there. Yes. 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 I have
Yes.
to debug it. Yes.
Because data mismatch will be there, right? Each time there will be a session, each time there is a resource uh, login also, right? So those past sessions need to be removed. It from there you need to use it. Okay. You create a separate resource group or resource setup for Azure practice, Azure Data Factory practice purpose.
Okay. Resource group.
You don't
Okay.
club with regular resource
Okay, sir.
group. No. Resource means there will be a project, right, in Azure in the beginning, right? In the project, you create a separate resource group for ADF practice.
Okay. Okay.
Then it will be very clear. Your session ID, all that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that way you practice it. And then later, when you go to the Databricks, there you can create a separate setup for that.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay.
I do that.
Yes. So these are the standards you better to follow. In live also we do the same in the project side, separately having a group, and within that some resource IDs, all that will happen. Okay, now I think you got the concept
Yes.
how
Yes. Yes.
to create and
Delete.
delete the resources through Python script itself. You have to test the scripts and debug the code.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I debug it. In Python,
Okay.
I aware of Python, so okay, I
Yes.
see it. Yes.
Yes. So now you can stop your recording.